Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn workgroup model. Let's see what is Windows workgroup model. Let's see where we can use the Windows workgroup model. A workgroup model is mainly preferred for a small local area network like home, school, college, a building, small office. It's not secure, no firewall installation. There is no firewall installed, so your machine is easy to hack. No security policy, that means the GPO is not there, the group policy object is not there, which is available in the domain model, so that is not there. Workgroup computer not centralized, it's in standalone. That means it's not connected to any of the servers, so it's a standalone. Let's say you have to install some application, you have to visit the particular computer, the workgroup computer, and you have to insert the pen drive, whatever it is, where the software is available, and you can install it. So this is not like centralized. You won't able to send a package to particular workgroup computer to get it installed remotely. So you have to visit the particular workgroup computer. Each computer has a set of user account to use any computer in the workgroup. That means on each computer your ID should exist to log in. This is not like domain. Let's say you have the domain model. Once your ID is created in domain, you would able to log in into any of the machine which is available in your company premises. All right. All computer must be on the same local network to access internet and file sharing. Let's say you have a 2-3 router in your workgroup model. Let's say you have to share some file to one PC to another PC, but that another PC is connected to different routers, so you won't able to share the package. Package means the data. You won't able to share the data. Okay. Peer-to-peer network, it means two or more PCs are connected and share resources without going through a separate server computer. That means your machine is connected peer-to-peer network. All right, it's not connected to any of the server machine, where when you're sending something it should be checked by the server. So this is not like that. It directly share with you. It may contain some virus and your machine also get affected. So this is not like that in the domain model. Okay, so in workgroup model it's a P2P network. It means two or more PC are connected and share resources without going through a separate server computer. Let's move to the diagram of the workgroup model. So here is the internet. It's a cable modem where you can input the cable from ISP, internet service provider, internet service provider. From there you can input the cable into your router and switch, and from the switch you can directly access the internet on the computer. All right, let's see how you can find your machine is connected to a workgroup model or it is connected to a domain model. So this PC, right click, go to the properties. Here we go, workgroup. That means this machine is connected to a workgroup model. All right, so it mentioned computer name, domain, and workgroup setting. So this machine is connected to a workgroup model. It is not under domain model. Let's move to the domain model machine. When I click on properties, this PC and properties, and let's see what we have. Domain, you don't see workgroup, right? Here is domain. Domain is careerhub.com. Here what we see, workgroup. All right, so name could be a different, or maybe you can rename it by clicking this option, change setting. You can change the workgroup name. Like if you want to change the workgroup model name, you can do it, you can change it. All right, so this machine is connected through a workgroup model, and this machine is connected through a domain model. That is what it is mentioned, domain. If you go to your home PC computer, of course you would see workgroup model. If you go to your company PC, that will show your company name inside here, right here. All right, let's see you next video.